The mdMapper1000DG systems has helped us to get topos in a more quick and efficient manner, mainly because we're getting many more shots on site.
Old traditional survey would take a 2 to 3 man crew, probably roughly around 2 days at max to topo a site as large as this, while me with this drone would take me 10 to 15 minutes at max, and then 2 to 3 hours of post-processing, and I could have them something by the end of the day.
Their engineers can take that data and manipulate it and build contours off of it and get paid.
They can quickly get a snapshot or overview of how the project's progressing.
It's a great method for us to be able to see where we are to produce a better product quicker for the customer.
When I put it into 3D mode, you can get a good representation of the trees. You can see the roadway kind of arcs up. You can see pretty much anything on this site in 3D mode. So after the 3D mode, I am able to take this point cloud right here and break it down, and we can see literally every detail out there.
When we have drones, we have machines, we have the site positioning systems, they're all talking and communicating back to the office. So if we get all that information back to the office every day, we can be more productive, we can easily make changes on the fly, and eventually evolves to what we call the connected site, and it's all about construction technology.